Let me show you how to achieve a highlight on your Instagram story. For that, open your Instagram, click on this little profile icon. Here you can find all your highlights that you are added to your Instagram. So let me see how to achieve this. So if you click on this top, you can find three dots, and it below that it is more. If you click on that, here you can find remove highlight, edit highlight, and achieve highlight in the last. So if you click on achieve highlight, that will be achieved. So if you want to find that how, go to top three dots. Here you have achieved. So that story is achieved. If you click on this, and again you need to get back it, click on create highlight and tap on that, click on next, and you can add name or whatever. So click on done. Likewise, you can